gorgeous. Gorgeous, yes. So we closed the deal successfully in plus. In this video, I showed you the private strategy with which I earned $1,000 in 5 minutes of trading. So look further and I show you how to trade with it. So we are on the broker pocket option. And we start our trading with setting up the trading space. And our balance for today is exactly $100. So we set the amount of the transaction similar to $100. The transaction time will be 1 minute. The time frame on the chart itself, similar, 1 minute. So the time frame is the time with which the candle on our chart will change. We're trading today on currency pairs. You see them in the upper area of the screen. And today we will use two indicators. Look carefully. First indicator is Kelty channel. So you see I turn it on and off so that you can understand where it is, and it's located on the chart. So I demonstrate absolutely all the settings. I tested a lot of settings and these settings turned out to be most optimal. You can also take the second indicator, Williams Passenger. It's located at the bottom of the screen. So also throughout the video I'll announce you some uses. So look carefully. And we move on to our first currency pair. We open deals for an increase. I show you how to apply these indicators. We will start with the fact that the first indicator looks at decrease, as well as the whole chart. A downward trend logically looks at the decrease here. I highlight trends and it changed with an increase, so what it was. The candle on which we opened quite large. Now most likely there will be some kind of recovery. This also coincides with the support area. So there will be a push from the support area. This is ideally demonstrated by our Williams Passenger. We see that we went out to a certain area and returned. Now we similarly went out and are slightly directed to the upper side. Just the second indicator tells us that we will we will return back. We look at the indicator and see how its currency pairs live. Immediately corrected. So until the end of the transaction, we have 4 seconds left. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This deal is closed in plus. On the balance, we have $185. So I'll also give you the first bonus right away. This is promo code, which gives you X2 to your balance. So the promo code is in the description, so you can go register on pocket option, enter my promo code, and let's say you make a deposit of $200, enter my promo code, and you get $400. I think great offer. The promo code is in the description of the video, so go. And then we open the deal to increase. The general trend, we have an increase. By Williams Passenger, a similar increase. We highlight the resistance area already with the help of technical analysis. We see that we are trying to overcome the resistance area. Also on the Donchian channel, we see that all 3 sliding up position. Most likely we will try to overcome this resistance area. So at least I'm sure that the deal will close on this currency pair above the point of our opening. This is the situation we have at the moment on the market. So until the end we have 16 seconds. And after this currency pair, I'll give you another bonus. So here we have a small drawdown. I'm calm as we did the analysis right. The last time we couldn't overcome the resistance area, now we overcome and the deal closes at 0. Honestly, a little offensive. Fuck. We should have closed in plus, but a little was not enough. So we see a rollback began. Well, we immediately let's move on to the third currency pair, guys. Here, let's go to the third one. We close and give a bonus right away. So let's say in a pleasant mood to give you pleasant advice, okay? Here we opened a trade for an increase. Again, we see that on Kelty channel, we have all 3 sliding ones are directed to the upper position. This is the first signal. The second indicator in the tender part of the screen, Williams Passenger. We see we are directed to the resistance zone. So this is, if anything, green zone. Who doesn't understand the meaning of this indicator? It's 20. We see I highlight the general trends. We try to break out upwards. But the trend didn't reverse. And if the trend didn't reverse, this means that this is strong enough and will continue to grow in an upward trend. So, well, simply put, it will continue to grow upwards. So we open deals just for an increase. So let's look at the chart. There are 9 seconds left. So the chart little by little starts and continues to grow steadily. The second, gorgeous, yes. So we closed the deal successfully in plus, and the balance is already $342.25. And let me immediately announce the second bonus. So this is my free Telegram channel, the link to which is also in the description or in the profile header. Yeah, it's free, so go there. There are signals. I open a deal, they're automatically published in Telegram channel, and you copy it. So nothing more. If you are already in Telegram channel, now you could copy these trades as they are published. So the second, there are promotional codes also there. They are, if it ends in the description, you go to the free Telegram channel, and there are a lot of promo codes there. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited. So don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So, of course, also there are personal tips from me, personal calls, personal contact. I also hold competitions. I remind we are already on the 4th currency pair. I tell you that this is all absolutely free. I don't ask you any money. Just go, watch if you like it, subscribe if not, sorry. And there everything will be everything that I post in Telegram channel. While we open the deal for an increase, let's go back, and I still have a third bonus for you. So I will voice it after probably the next currency pair. Here we see an upward trend on the Donchian channel, so according to Williams, similar upward trend. We are unlikely to foresee a reversal here. We will just try to overcome here. I showed 2 areas, so the upper one area, the resistance area. The smaller area is a distance to which we can just grow. Let me give you the second bonus right away, because I'm sure this currency pair will close in plus. I hope. Yeah, quite a good stable growth. The reversal is not expected. So the next bonuses, let's say, so many are wondering how to trust bloggers, yeah, and so on. Of course, thanks to Instagram, yeah, it has become more difficult to trust since everyone shows successful result without any explanations, yeah. But in Instagram, no one show how they trade, what they work with. So I show everything openly. That's why the bonuses are my other videos on this YouTube channel. So like in this video, I showed you all the strategy, all the indicators, all the data, all the settings, and also in another videos too. So similar situation. You can find yourself very useful information from my videos and just trade without any fear, yeah. So I hope you trust me a little, at least a little. I also advise you to go to my channel, yes, subscribe, open the video tab, and turn absolutely any video on the strategy, on the bot. So, and you will see that it's similarly to this. So I don't hide. I show the terms on the example of how I trade, so who doesn't trust me, write for what reason, yeah, okay, we will have a dialogue with you if you don't trust. So since I always show everything openly, and here we have so far identified general trends. So we have an upward trend, we will most likely overcome resistance area, and everything is pretty stable here. The general upward trend is maintained. There is nothing special to say here actually, but regarding trust I will rewind you. So if anyone has question, so here I have highlighted consolidation. So please write in the comments, or better go to free Telegram channel and write to me personally, to my contact there, and ask anything that you need, guys. No shame, no fear. Let's go. So I don't disclose super private strategies, but most of profitable strategies here I share with you, and let's sum it up. Yeah, we have 5 currency pairs. Our goal was to earn about $1,000. Yeah, I remind you our balance was 100. At the beginning of the video we earned $1,120.69. I think it's great. So we did it very good, guys. Congratulations. So subscribe to my channel so not to lose it. To YouTube channel, it will be very pleased to me. So go to the free Telegram channel, find yourself an interesting information, useful information there. So what's more, all the useful links to you are in the description. So see you in my new video. It was Kitty, and bye bye.